The villagers started offering Subahu new clothes. And he thought that if I wear these new clothes and stop looking like a beggar, there is a possibility I'll be recognized. And uh, he didn't want to be in trouble, so he gave an excuse. The excuse that he said was that Mama Shariram Pravishya Yah Shanihi Mam Pidayan, the Shani, Mama Sharir, my body, Pravishya, enter karke, Yah Shani, the Shani, the one, that Shani, Mam Pidayan, who is troubling me, Saha Pratakalatah Purvam Duram Gachati. He will go away before morning. Tadanantaram evam aham nutana vastrani dharayitum shaknomi. After that only I shall be able to wear new clothes. सुबाहोः उत्तरेण सन्तुष्टाः केचन उच्चैः जय शब्दम् उच्चरितवन्तः. Satisfied with Subaho's uttar. Santushtaha, satisfied. Kechan, some of them, Uchchaihi Jaya Shabdam Ucharitvantaha. They said out aloud, Jaykar, Jaykar, Jai Ho, Jai Ho. Anye Kechan Kutuhalena Subahum Prushtubantah. Some others, Anye means others, Kechan, some. Some others asked him, Prushtubantah, Kutuhalena, with curiosity, Aye Mitra, O Mitra, O my friend, Bhavan Bhavatah Nam Eva Na Suchitvan Kila. You did not, Bhavan, you, with respect. That's when we say Bhavan. If you don't give respect, then you say Tvam, that is tu. Bhavan is aap. Aapne apna, Bhavatah, yours, apna, Naam na Suchitvan, Naam nahi bataya. Bhavatah Naam Kim. This question is surely coming next time. Bhavatah Naam Kim. So Kimaya is going to say Mama Nama Kim. She's just going to ask herself, what is my name? Because Kim means what? So when she says Mama Nama Kim, she's saying two things. My name is Kim, or she's asking my name is what? It's going to be a confusion. Mama Namaha, he starts saying, my name is Matrupitrubhyam tu namakaranam krutam. Kintu idanim kim tena तन्नामकारणतः एव अहम अद्यावधि शनिना पीडयमानः अस्मि. मातृपितृभ्याम, mother and father, to namakaranam krutam. They did my namkaran. Namkaran means giving the name. Kintu idanim kim tena. But what is it with it right now? Tannamakaranatah eva, because of that name only. Tannam. Tan means that. Tannama, that name. Karanatah. Karan means reason. Because of the reason of that name only, aham adyavadi, right now I am Shanina pidayamanaha. I am being troubled by Shani. Atah guruhu agnya asti. तो गुरु की आज्ञा है, गुरु की आज्ञा है यत मया. See, they all are doing Jai Jaikar in a samuh. कदापि स्वनाम न उच्चरणीयम इति. कदापि ever swanam, my name, na ucharaniyam, it's not appropriate to say my name because of the name given by my parents only I am being troubled by Shani. He was all spinning yarn, phekoing. Yada Shani Pidatah Muktihi Tadaha. When I become free from Shani's Pida, that means the problems of Shani, iti vadan subahuhu agrim vachan चिंतयन आसीत. इति वदन, इतना बोलकर, वदन मीन्स बोलना, सुबाहुहु अग्रिम वचन, अग्रिम मतलब आगे, वचन मतलब बोलना, आगे क्या बोलना, चिंतयन आसीत, he was thinking. See, he was just cooking the story along. He did not know the story, but whenever somebody asked something, he was following bill on his guru or imaginary guru. So he said, he started thinking of what next sentence to say. Tavati kale teshu kaschit uktvan. Tavati kale, that time only. Kal means time. Tavati kale, that time only. Teshu, from within them. Kaschit uktvan, somebody said. Adya vayam sarve shani pidatah unmuktaha bhavamaha. Now, adya vayam sarve, all of us, shani pidatah, from Shani's pida, unmuktaha bhavamaha. We are going to become free from Shani's pida. Atah bhavatah nama shanimardanaha iti astu. Therefore, atah bhavatah, आपका, अतः therefore आपका नाम शनि मर्दन यह रहेगा, इति अस्तु, ऐसा ही होगा. मर्द means what? मर्द means to crush. मर्दन means to crush करना. शनि मर्दन means the one who crushed शनि. इन्होंने एक नाम इन्वेंट कर लिया, अब से आपका नाम शनि मर्दन होगा. तत्क्षणे शनि मर्दनः जयतात् इति वचनस्य प्रतिध्वनिः सर्वत्र प्रसृतः. I don't know what enjoyment the background people were getting, but that second only, tatkshane, that second only, Shani Mardanah Jayatat. See, Shani Mardan ki Jai, Shani Mardan ki Jai. Everybody just started saying Jai, Jai again. Iti vachanasya pratidhvanihi sarvatra prasrutah. The echo, pratidhvani. Dhvani means sound, but pratidhvani means the sound that returns. Prati is returning. So that means echo. So sarvatah, sarvatra, everywhere, prasrutrah, prasrutah, फैल गया. अनंतरम सर्वे दीप सहायेन मार्गम पश्यन्तः राक्षसगिरिं प्रति प्रस्थिताः. After that, सर्वे दीप सहायेन, सहाय means help, दीप की सहाय से यानी दिए की सहाय से, लैंप की सहाय से, मार्गम पश्यन्तः, पश्यंत मतलब देखना, मार्ग is road, so watching out for, looking at the road. Rakshasgirim prati prasthitaha, they went towards the Rakshasgiri mountain. Tesham madhye prachalata paraspara vartalapen subahuhu gnatvan yat ete sarve daridraha. Tesham madhye. Ahilya, can you tell me what is the meaning of Tesham madhye?
Yes. In the middle of them.
Yes, Tesham madhye. In the middle of them, prachalata, चल रही, चलती हुई, परस्पर within themselves, you and me, he and she, एक साथ, एक दूसरे के साथ, परस्पर वार्तालापेन, परस्पर the mutual conversation amongst themselves, सुबाहु ज्ञातवान, सुबाहु को पता चला, ज्ञ, ज्ञ is to know, ज्ञातवान मतलब पता चला, क्या पता चला, यत, यह, यत, एते सर्वे दरिद्राः. Daridra means poor. All of these are poor people. सर्पकेतुः एतेभ्यः धनधान्यादीनां लोभं प्रदर्शितवान् अस्ति. सर्पकेतु एतेभ्यः, in amongst these people, धनधान्य, धन means money, धान्य means खाना, आदिनाम एटसेट्रा का लोभ प्रदर्शितवान अस्ति. लोभ दिखाता होगा. लोभ मीन्स ग्रीड. सर्पकेतु वुड बी शोइंग देम धन एंड धान्य का ग्रीड, एंड दैट्स हाउ तेन आकृष्टाः एते जनाः. That's how he has attracted. Akrushtaha means to attract. Ete janaha, these people. Ete janaha, these people. वीरपुरम प्रति प्रस्थिताहा, वीरपुर के तरफ. प्रति means towards. प्रतिध्वनि, the dhvani that is returning back to you. Prati Veerapuram means going towards Veerapuram. Prasthitaha means they started moving towards Veerpur. वीरपुर विषये अहम सम्यक न जानामि. I don't know properly about Veerpur. सम्यक means properly. वीरपुर विषये, मुझे वीरपुर के विषय में सम्यक पता नहीं है, मतलब प्रॉपरली पता नहीं है. वीरपुरस्य शासकः सूर्यवर्मा प्रजापीडकः अस्ति वा. वीरपुर का शासक, शासक मीन्स oh, Kimai, you got locked out.
Yeah, by mistake.
Just now or how much time?
Just now.
Okay, so we don't need to go back, no?
No.
All right. So he says, Veerpura Vishaye aham samyak na janami. I don't know properly about Veerpur. Who says Subahu? To whom? To the Samuh of Gramina. Veerapurasya Shashakah Suryavarma, the ruler, Shashak of Veerpur, Veerapurasya of Veerpur, Suryavarma, Praja Pidakah Astiva. Praja means public. Pida means pain. Praja Pidakah, matlab, is he the one who gives pain to his Praja? Iti samuhe sthitam कंचित पुरुषम पृष्ठवान सुबाहुः. समूह में, ग्रुप में, स्थितम, within the group there was, he asked somebody, कंचित. कंचित is somebody. He asked, पृष्ठवान. He asked them that is he a bad man? Does he give पीड़ा to प्रजा? तदा कश्चित ग्रामवासी हसन उक्तवान. Then कश्चित, some, ग्रामवासी, हसन, हंस के, उक्तवान, बोला. कोई ग्रामवासी हंसकर बोला, मांडलिकेषु तादृशः सज्जनः कः अस्ति यः प्रजाः न पीडयति. मांडलिक means मंडल का अधिपति, the one who rules over a mandal. Mandal is area, a circle. The one who rules over a circle is a king. He says, Mandalikeshu tadrishah sajjanah, utna sajjan, utna sat jan. Sat is true, sat is good person. Kaha asti, who will be as good as, our Mandalik? Prajaha na pidayati. He doesn't trouble the praja. Vayam api Suryavarmanaha vishaye adhikam na janimaha. We also, vayam api, we also सूर्यवर्मणः विषये. About Suryavarman, अधिकम न जानीमः. We don't know more about him. अधिकम is more. न जानीमः. किंतु हम जानते नहीं है. किंतु एतत्तु सत्यम यत् सर्पकेतु सदृशः प्रजापीडकः जगति अन्यः कुत्रापि नास्ति. But this is true. किंतु एतत्तु सत्यम. This also is true. Tu is also. This also is true. What is true? Sarpaketu sadrushah. There's like Sarpaketu. Sadrushah means like. Sarpaketu. Prajapidakah jagati anyah kutrapi nasti. There is nobody who is a trouble giver anywhere in the world as much as Sarpaketu. Na bhavishyati cha. And there will not be in future also. That means he is so bad that na bhutkal na adya dine यानी now न भविष्यति होगा भी नहीं. एवं तर्हि वीरपुरस्य लुंठनार्थम अस्माभिः किमर्थम गंतव्यम. तो ही सेज वेरी इनोसेंटली एवं तर्हि. तरी मग कशाला वीरपूरला लुंटण्यासाठी आम्ही जातो. एवं तर्हि वीरपुरस्य लुंठनार्थम अस्माभिः किमर्थम गंतव्यम. अस्माभिः अस. किमर्थम वाय. गंतव्यम गोइंग. वाय वी आर गोइंग. लुंठनार्थम टू लुंट वीरपुरस्य. वाय आर वी गोइंग टू लुंट वीरपुर. एतेन सर्पकेतोः सहायकाः भवाम किल वयम. Are we not becoming Sarpaketu's Sahayaka? Means helpers. Are we not becoming Sarpaketu's helpers by going and attacking Virpur? Iti Subahu Pruštvan. Subahu asked this. Atrantare अन्ये त्रिचतुराः संभाषण मध्ये प्रविष्टवन्तः. Just then some smart Alex, some Trichatur. Trichatur is extra smart, डेढ़ शाणा. काहीतरी डेढ़ शाणे आता संभाषण मध्ये means in the conversation they jumped in. You know, there are always these people, whenever some conversation is going on, they also want to intrude and have their say. So somebody entered, and while they were marching, prasthitaha Virapura prati. While they were marching towards Virpur, somebody thought this, and they said, they entered the conversation. Te subahoho prashnam shrutva hasantaha uktvantaha. They heard Subaho's prashna, heard shrutva, hasantaha, laughed, uktvantaha, said, वस्तु स्थिति ही एवं अस्ति यत् सर्पकेतोः सहायं कर्तुम् इच्छन्तः वीरपुरस्य उपरि आक्रमणं न कुर्मः. वस्तु स्थिति, reality is this, evam asti. The reality is this. We are not attacking Virpur to help Sarpaketu. See, Sarpaketoho sahayam kartum ichchantah. We are not wishing to help Sarpaketu, and that's why Virapurasya upri akramanam na kurma. We are not attacking Virpur because we wish to help Sarpaketu. आक्रमणं कृतं चेत भवतां सहायं करिष्यामि इति सर्पकेतुना उक्तम अस्ति. Sarpaketu said on the other hand that if you do akraman, then I will help you. See, akramanam krutam chet, if you do akraman, bhavatam, you, sahayam karishyami, I will help you, karishyami. means I will help you. Who said that? Sarpaketu said that. Iti Sarpaketuna uktam asti. He had said that. Anyaccha Veerapure lunthanena yat prapyate tat sarvam asmadiyameva. Second thing is Anyaccha. Another thing is Veerapure lunthanena. By looting Veerpur, by looting in Veerpur, yat prapyate, whatever we get, tat sarvam asmadiyam. That is all ours, asmadiyam, ours. Tatra sarpaketoho tad anucharanam va bhagah nasti eva. There, tatra sarpaketoho, sarpaketus, tad anucharanam and his followers va bhagah nasti, unka bhi koi bhag nahi hoga. They will not get any part. Bhag matlab part. So whatever we loot is all going to be ours, and Sarpaketu or his followers are not going to get any share. Etena vartalapena subahu gnatvan yat ete graminaha mugdha bhavena durashaya cha akrantaha santi. From this vartalap, etena vartalapena, Subahu gnatvan, Subahu realized, yat, this, ete graminaha, these villagers, mugdha bhavena, in an innocent way, durashayacha, and some of them with kutil, that means wrong intention also, akrantaha santi, they are becoming attackers. Upadesha shatena api kimapi prayojanam na bhavet. Upadesh means lecture. Upadesh means teaching. Shatena, 100. Even if I give 100 lectures, Upadesha Shatena api, kimapi prayojanam na bhavet. There will be no use. Prayojanam is use. Graminanam drashtya sarve shashakaha samanaha. From the view of villagers, all the rulers are the same. Sarpaketu ho, ya Suryavarmana ho, ya Chandravarmana ho. They see all of them as rulers, and they see all of themselves as poor innocent people who need more money. Avakashe prapte itare etan graminan vanchayanti. I will, when I get time, avakashe prapte, when I get time, itare etan graminan vanchayanti. I'll save these graminan at some later time. Atah sandarbhanusaram itaresham lunthanam asmadiyam kartavyam. No, I said a wrong translation. Avakashe prapte, when they get a chance. Avakashe is chance. When they get a chance, itare, other people, etan graminan vanchayanti, they take away things. Vanchayanti means to remove or to take away. Other people take away things from these villagers when they get a chance. Ataha, therefore, sandarbhanusaram. So, they have also learnt the same. Itaresham lunthanam asmadiyam kartavyam iti ete chintayanti. So, when others loot them, now they have understood that whenever they get a chance, they should also loot them. This is how they think. Iti ete chintayanti. This is how they, ete, chintayanti, they think. Paraspara lunthanatmakam eva jagat. Wow. Iti etesham vicharaha. They believe in the motto. Vicharaha. Their vichar. Their motto is Paraspara lunthanatmakam eva jagat. This world is to loot each other. This is what they believe in. This is all what Subahu was thinking in his mind. Kinchit kalanantaram sarve rakshasa giri samipam agatavantah. After some time, sarve, everybody, rakshasa giri samipam agatavantah. Everybody came close to Rakshasa Giri. Tatra itah purvam eva shatashah janaha sammilitaha asan. Tatra, there, itah purvam, इससे भी पहले से shatashah, hundreds of people, janaha, shatashah janaha, hundreds of people, sammilitaha, milna, milana is to collect, to accumulate. Sammilita, there were already gathered hundreds of people over there. Bahunam hasteshu deepaha jwalanti sma. In the hands of many, because it was night, bahunam hasteshu. In the hands of many, hasta is hand, bahunam is many. Deepaha jwalanti sma. The lamps were burning. Kechan sainikaha etan sarvan panktishah sthapayanti sma. Some sainika, etan sarvan, all of these people, panktishah, in line, pankti is line, panktishah is in one line, sthapayanti sma, they were making them stand in one line. Etesham dalam api tasmin mahasamuhe pravishtam. Their dal means good, group, a unit, battalion. Their group also, etesham dalam api tasmin mahasamuhe. In that tasmin mahasamuhe, in that great group, in that great congregation, pravishtam, entered. Their group also entered one large congregation which had already gathered over there. All these group of Graminaha who believed in Paraspara Lunthanatmakam eva Jagat, that the world is for luntoing each other. They believed so because when others got a chance, they looted the villagers. So they naturally believed that when they get a chance, they should also loot other people. एतदनन्तरं नायकः इव दृश्यमानः कश्चित् अश्वारोही अग्रे आगतवान्. एतदनन्तरं, after this. Etad is this. Etad is this. Anantaram is after. This after, or after this. Nayakah iva drishyamanaha. Nayak is leader. नायक जैसा दिखने वाला दृश्यमानः कश्चित अश्वारोही, सम हॉर्समैन, अग्रे आगतवान, he came forward, सम्मिलितान जनान उद्दिश्य उक्तवान, he addressed the people who had gathered. सम्मिलितान जनान, people gathered. उद्दिश्य, he addressed, he spoke to them. Uktvan, what did he say? Atyanta shaktishalinah dayashilasya sarpaketoho anugrahena itah param bhavantah daridrya pishachitah unmuktaha bhavishyanti. Mahashaktisali, atyanta shaktishali. Dayashil means merciful. Daya is mercy. Dayashil, merciful. Shri Sarpaketu ho, Sarpaketu ki kripa se, with his grace. Anugrahena itah param, after this. Bhavantah, you all. Daridrya pishachitah unmuktaha bhavishyanti. You are going to become free from the demon of daridrya, poverty. उन्मुक्ता फ्री, भविष्यन्ति यू विल बिकम फ्री। किंतु इदानीं समस्या उपस्थिता अस्ति यत् वीरपुरं मध्ये कथं प्रवेष्टव्यम् इति। बट राइट नाउ, किंतु इदानीं, बट राइट नाउ समस्या उपस्थिता अस्ति, देयर इज वन प्रॉब्लम, यत्, एंड दैट इज वीरपुरं कथं प्रवेष्टव्यम्, हाउ शैल वी एंटर वीरपुर। कथंचित द्वारपालकान् वञ्चयित्वा द्वारम् उद्घाटयामः चेत् पुनश्च अस्मान् अवरोद्धुं कोऽपि न शक्नोति। कथंचित, somehow, द्वारपालकान् वञ्चयित्वा, वंचना करना, बेग करना, रिक्वेस्ट करना, somehow by requesting whom? द्वार means दरवाजा, palak means palna, the one who takes care of, just like your parents are called palak in Marathi. Okay, तुमचे पालकांचे नाव काय आहे, means what is the name of your guardians, the one who guard you. So similarly, the ones who guard the door are called dwarpalak. By requesting the dwarpalak, doorkeepers, dwaram uddhatayamah, we will get the doors opened. Uddhatayamah is opened. Chet, and after that, punascha, asman avrodhum kopi na shaknoti. After that, avrodhum is to stop. Nobody, kopi, न शक्नोति, कोई भी हमें रोक नहीं सकेगा। अतः भवत्सु शतं जनैः पूर्वम् एव नगरद्वार समीपं गन्तव्यम्। Therefore, अतः भवत्सु, out of you, from within you, भवत्सु शतं जनैः, 100 people out of you, पूर्वम एव, beforehand only, Nagaradwara Samipam Gantavyam, go near the Nagar Dwar. Nagar is city, Dwar is door. So go near the city door or city gate, 100 people from amongst you, before only. Sarpaketuhu अस्माकं ग्रामस्य उपरि आक्रमणं कृतवान्। सर्पकेतु अस्माकं ग्राम, on our village, सर्पकेतु attacked, उपरि आक्रमणं कृतवान्, उसने हमारे आक्रमण इज अटैक, कृतवान इज किया, करना, तो सर्पकेतु ने हमारे ग्राम पर आक्रमण किया है। इति भवद्भिः कोलाहलः करणीयः, you shall do कोलाहल, कोलाहल is आवाज, noise, confusion, helter skelter. He said 100 people out of you should go and stand in front of the gate and make a lot of noise and say Sarpaketu has attacked our village. Bhavatam artanadam shrutva dwarpalakaha dwaram uddhatayanti. After hearing your artanada, art means andar, नाद means आवाज, आपके अंदर से जो दुख का आवाज होगा, श्रुत्वा, उसे सुनकर, द्वारपालक द्वार को उद्घाटयंती, खोल देंगे। तो द्वारपालक आपके अंदर के नाद को, आपके पेनफुल नाद को, क्राई ऑफ पिटी को सुनकर द्वारों को खोल देंगे। तदा नागरिक वेशेण स्थिताः अस्मदीयाः सैनिकाः, that time, tada nagrik veshena, then people, the soldiers, our soldiers, asmadiyaha sainikaha, who are our soldiers, will be wearing normal clothes, like a normal people. Hathat nagaram pravishanti. Hathat means जबरदस्ती करके, जोर लगा के, okay, बलपूर्वक, ताकत लगा के, यूजिंग फोर्स, नगरम प्रविशन्ति, नगर में घुस जाएंगे. See, this was the plan. That first some people will go and stand in front of the gate and make noise that Sarpaketu attacked our village, and taking pity on them, when the द्वारपाल द्वारों को जब वो खोल देंगे तो उनके पीछे छिपे हुए सामान्य वेश में जो सैनिक थे वह बलपूर्वक नगर में प्रवेश कर लेंगे और फिर लूंटम लूंट करेंगे. ओ ठीक है. So we have a very small page, but that we will read next time. We have 2 pages, just enough for next time, and then this part of the story will end. Okay. So I am going to try and create one more questionnaire that you all have to answer. Most likely on this Saturday again we'll not be having class because I might be traveling. So if that's the case, then I want this video, you should hear it again. You should read the portion that we read today, and then I will this time give you 10 questions out of those 2 pages. You should try to answer those 10 questions. The good part is you all read Sanskrit question, you took somebody's help, that's all right. But you read a Sanskrit question and you marked correct answers. Okay, so very soon you will become fairly good at reading the story yourself at home with somebody's help, and then you will be able to read the questions and mark correct answers very easily. So we can say that now you are able to, somewhat some Sanskrit is what we can say. And in a few months, you will become so good that you will start typing your answers in Sanskrit. You will not be just selecting questions, you will be actually typing in Sanskrit. I will teach you how to do that. All right, time up. Thank you, everybody. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
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 Bye, Shiva.
Bye.
Bye, Kimaya.
Bye.